everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Laos Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mok Padek. I know a lot of people don't know Mok Padek, right? Mok Padek is one of my favorite dish, okay? You heard about Mok Namai, Mok Pa, Mok Mu, Mok Kai, but nobody do much Mok Padek, okay? And I'm going to show you how to make Mok Padek today, okay? And my ingredient I have is most like it with all kind of herb, okay? Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients, see what we have here, okay? We have Kaffir lamb leaf, Galangals, lemongrass, ground pork, pepper. I use a dry pepper and chili pepper and this kind of pepper like Jalapeño. It's beautiful red on top. And then pork skin, rice. This is sticky rice soaked overnight or 1 hour. Okay. And then I have spring onion, dill, and this is a rice paddy herb, shallot, garlic, and I have it's a padek, okay? It's a cream. I use the cream can because there's no bone, nothing in there, okay? They take it out, and I have fish sauce, and of course this is creamy padek, and this is padek, the one that I use for tamakung, you know, to give more flavor and chicken flavor. That's all I need. And I'm gonna use banana leaf to wrap and steam them, okay? And you need a toothpick. It's good, it's come handy. And this banana leaf, I'll leave on the table, clean it real good for two days, okay? So it's nice and soft, ready to use. Okay, let's start, okay? Let's cook with me. Come on. After we got everything already, guys, now I cut all my vegetable and you know smash all my herb, everything ตำข้าวเบื่อ everything แล้วละ now put all the ingredient together. We start with the pork, right? Put the ground pork. you wrap the มกปลาแดกแล้วเนาะ finish steam okay for about 25 minutes and I put the water about right there okayแล้วหน่อยเปิดมึงเนาะว่ามันแซ่บเนาะนี่มกปลาแดกแล้วสิหน้าตามันออกมาเป็นอย่างซี่เนาะหอมเฮ็ดเป็นระบบขาวหอมโอเคเวลาเขาจะกินมกปลาแดก you know a lot of people don't know about this ingredient not many people cook them and how you eat it it's very salty okay we don't have to eat big bite you got to eat เขาเอิ้นว่าบายเข่าa lot of people might not know ว่าโอ้บายเข่าโอเคบายเข่ากับกินข้าวแบบคำน้อยๆ like here บัดบายข้าวเพิ่นจะเฮ็ดคำเป็นจังซี่เกือบทอปั้นพุ่นน่ะเนาะบายข้าวนี่ผู้เฒ่าเพิ่นเฮ็ดจังซี่ That's how my grandma show me how to do it This is big bite like that but you don't bite the whole thing okay and this one is super salty okay so you're gonna put on top of your rice like that okay and now what you have to do with this get a little bite of rice and pick it a little bit not too much because they're super salty see อันนี้แหละเขาเอิ้นว่าบายข้าว then the other hand hold like this is continue eat them ตอนเศร้าเพิ่นเอิ้นว่าบายข้าวเศร้าเนาะตื่นมาปลาแดกมกปลาแดกบายข้าวแซ่บหลายหอมแต่ว่าเขาต้อง you have to have the salty from the fermented fish okay ปลาแดกกินปลาแดกต้องมาก่อนแล้วก็เนาะจาก all the Galangals Kaffir lime leaf all the herb หอมเป็นยุดบ่เปล่าเห็นบ่ you put a little bit a lot of rice แซ่บหอมI want you guys close look to this okay ว่ามันงามขนาดไหน See how beautiful they are and that's a pork skin with all the meat put in here this is a big bite top this recipe my FC 9 this is for you okay my FC she's my friend and she have same birthday with me so I do this for your birthday okay all right and after you eat all the hot spicy and everything and last but not least I got the dessert from my daughter from Elizabeth she make cheesecake you know my daughter can cook too this is the best dessert I ever have sometimes I go to like 5-star restaurant it won't taste this good maybe she's my daughter no the truth is she's good cookหลังจากกินสไปซี่แล้วมากินชีสเค้กจังสิBut guys, today I don't show you how to make cheesecake, okay? One day I bring my daughter here show you guys. ข้าวไป Thank you so much for watching my channel and share, hit like, comment, okay? Anything you want me to cook for you, if I can do it, I will do it, okay? Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time. ลาก่อน Bye bye.